खाली एक मिनट जस्ट खाली उसका ये निकल Can you please tell me your team name? Okay, it was a very good dance. Please go back. Thank you.
Leave the mic and remove whatever is there on your shoulders.
Can you do your extra exercise? Please go back.
Yes, sir. Please come forward. Okay. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
So I'm Viraj. I'm from team Bongal. I'm participating for Best Manager. I'm currently pursuing my BCA final year degree and working currently on my project. I'm from St. Xavier's High School. I like doing photography. I like photography. I like music, all types of music. Plus, I think I can be a good team lead. I can be a good team leader and basically do anything that is to be done at hand to accomplish a task.
You said your name was?
Sir Viraj.
Viraj, this is your team. I want to see how you communicate with your team, how well you are with your soft skills.
Okay, sir.
Oh my God.
Sir, communicate about what exactly? Okay. What is your name?
How are you feeling?
You don't know? Your name? The basic fact that you guys are given names during your birth states that you have some names, right? You don't remember your name? I think you need a...
Fine, my name is Nitin.
Okay, Nitin, your name? Malum nahi. I think you need a mental rehabilitation center, man. Are you better visit on soon? Okay, Nitin, let's talk. Tell me, what are you interested in? What do you want to do? You're wearing a badge, right? You're wearing an internal badge. So you're an organizer, right? Squad organizer. No. So you're the event organizer, and you said you don't do nothing. Then who has done this? Who has organized this event then?
Why you want to organize?
See, you're my team member. You cannot do this to me, okay? Just stand. Just stand.
You are a team leader. You have to lead your team.
Yeah, I am leading, but he's misleading me, right? So I'll just tell him. First, let us decide a name for you.
You are not a good leader.
First thing is, let us decide a name for you. Looking on your personality, I think Sukhdai will be good. Nitin. Okay, let's talk about you. I don't think this guy is of any use to us. This is to be thrown in a dustbin. I think I need to give this guy nursery lessons now. He doesn't know anything.
Yeah, enough. Nitin, come down. Guys. Right pocket, one more bottle. Right pocket.
Sir?
Right pocket, one more bottle. Nitin, tell me what skills do you have?
Sir, Viraj.
Sorry, Viraj, tell me what skills do you have?
So I think I'm very good at written and vocal English skills. English, written and vocal English, good communication skills. So I think I'm a great marketer. I take part in stuff. I'm good at presentations. I think I can make a topic very frank and clear to anyone who is listening to it at hand without him having any knowledge about that particular topic in prior to it. I'm good at photography, sir. I'm excellent at photography. I like to meet new people, make new friends, learn different cultures, eat lots of food. Food, yeah. Who doesn't love food, right?
Sir, I don't have any knowledge on gayism, so please explain to me about it.
So, gays are a part of the community that have some different sexual orientations than what all normal people have. I don't think it's a disorder or anything. It's their own specific lifestyle, the way they want to live it. I think we need to respect that, because no one is born saying that you are gay, you are lesbian, or you are straight. I think we need to respect all types of people, and the fact that gay marriages have been legalized all around the world, in most part of the world, I think it's a good decision taken by everyone. And I think India also needs to support a few hands to support gays. No, I'm straight. I'm straight.
Before coming here, you were given a character, right?
Sir?
Before coming on the stage,
Okay, sir.
you were given a character.
Yes, sir. So I'm A. Raja.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you please describe something on it?
Sir.
Can you tell me what is your status in the society and what
So
do you-
currently my status in the society is that I am the culprit, the mastermind behind the big scam of 2000 crores. That is the 2G scam. And everyone blames me for stealing all that money, but there is a fact that I have done that scam. In a country as India, where politicians are the real culprits and the people who steal your pockets, the earning and the bread of the normal human living being, why not steal it from a country that give it to
We
them?
are not here for your bhashan.
Sir?
We are not here for whatever you're elaborating. Just say whatever you're saying.
Sir.
Just say to the point. Right?
Sir, my status in the country right now is very bad, and I don't have a lot of respect,
Can
to
you
be
please
frank.
tell me what are your future plans with the 2000 crores?
So I think now that people think wrong of me, I don't want to prove them right. I want to just utilize the money and do something much more interesting. I know I've taken the money for my own use and my satisfaction, but I'll not completely use that for my own self. I'll definitely put that for use somewhere in my own country where it will be a good developing nation. Definitely.
Own country, what do you trying to tell us? Are you trying?
What is your
So what I'm trying to tell is I'm kind of a Robin Hood. I'm stealing from the rich people and giving it to the poor.
Absolutely.
The rich symbolizing the Indian government.
I appreciate your thoughts on it. I appreciate your thoughts on it. But you know, having your own kingdom, what do you mean by that? Are you trying to tell government, please give me a piece of land?
No, sir, no, sir. I'm not trying to establish a kingdom here. I'm just trying to show them their original power and the state of mind they are in and the things they are doing to the country called of India. Basically, I just want to show my part over there and not try to rule and overpower them. That is the basic idea.
Tell me India's population.
Sir,
India's population.
India's population is 1.3 billion.
And where is your 2,000 crores going to?
So I'll not be targeting it on each and every individual, that is because half of Indian people are from the high class, then middle class and the lower degree. I think I'll try to focus it on the lower level of class people that are basically situated in slums and such areas who don't get even a day meal for every day, and just try to focus on them.
Sir,
So you are trying to
enough of your political nonsense. Tell me, why do you think you should be hired in my company? Why do you think you should be hired by us?
Sir, the fact that I should be hired is that because I'm not like everyone else. I would not want to make my employees strive harder and harder just for the sake of my company and for my promotion, for my betterment. I would definitely look it up to as a small building block, that each employee is a building block, and definitely if given the right attention and care to that person, the entire building will be
No,
strengthened.
you are wrong. Each employee is not a building block.
He is contributing.
Each employee is a stepping stone on which you step towards your success.
Definitely, sir. But the thing is how you use those stones. And
How
the
are you going to use those stones?
Sir, that's what I'm saying. I'll definitely give them their own chance, their own exposure to tell anything they want and not be
Can
restricted.
I have his employees on stage, please?
Not given the restriction that
Can I have his employees on stage, please? Employees, 10 of them. 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6. Where are the other 4? Two more. One more. Yeah. Now I want to see your strength on how you are going to make a team of your employees and reach
them a better
success.
life.
Okay?
Sir,
Please don't try to sabotage him with all those things.
strength that you're talking about right now here is a physical strength. I never said I'm physically strong. So I think the power of the brain is more than that of the brawn.
Yeah, use your power of your brains, of your damn idiot brains.
Yeah, use your
and
200 crores.
yeah, use that 2,000 crores to, yeah, let's see how you do it.
Guys, please you don't need to instruct me. I'm your manager, okay? So just stand back in a line. Stand back in a line. Yeah. Stand back in a line. Please stand back in a line. Let me just talk to you. You have rights, but I'm the one who shoots the orders here. Okay? Stand in a line. Okay, clean the stage up, please, soon. I think it's looking very dirty.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Viraj.
Yes, sir.
You just told me you're not going to shout at your employees, shoot orders. You just said I shoot orders at you. What does this mean?
I'm the one who gives the orders, not to them, sir.
What is this attitude of yours towards your employees?
So I'm not trying to be harsh to them or something.
They are so good. And what? You're trying to be so bad with them?
So I tried to tell them to stand.
They are taking your company to newer heights. And what are you trying to do them? You're taking them to ground level.
That was I was trying to say stand in a line so I can talk to them properly. They're not even listening to me. At least stand in a line properly. Let me just talk to you properly.
To them. Don't talk to me. Please talk to them.
You are all a part of my team, right?
Don't show your back.
You are all a part of my team. So please cooperate. and don't. Do you want to work in a good firm or no? You'll never get a better firm than mine. I'll promise you that. You will never get a more flexible manager who will give you better job, better opportunities to do
Excuse me,
it.
Viraj.
See.
Viraj. Just turn behind. Yeah, like this, facing me. A blue blazer with a black, white and blue check shirt, faded jeans pant with black shoes and what socks? White socks. Now, tell me what kind of a match is this?
I think the biggest misunderstanding in this world is to judge a man by his attire.
Yes,
I don't think
it is
that's
not
a very big.
biggest misunderstanding. It is the best way to ascertain a man's age.
Say if that was a thing.
It's the best way to ascertain a man's image.
So I don't think it's a good way to
Look at
judge a
his
man.
you shabby shit.
Sir, if you would have taken a look at Gandhiji walking around half naked, we would have never said he's the father of a nation.
Excuse me, hello. Leave aside your political interference. I am not a big fan of Mahatma Gandhi also.
Right, sir.
Okay?
Me
So
too.
leave aside that. Okay? And Mahatma Gandhi was well dressed in what he used to wear. Okay? His attire was dhoti and this, whatever he used to wear over there. Okay? Your attire is not to be this. Your attire is supposed to be formals. With blazer, a tie. And formal shoes and formal pant. Not a jeans pant over there.
So it depends on how one feels.
You are not a manager, you are a damager of the company.
Sir,
Yeah, probably a choker.
Say
Probably a choker.
Say it's about how comfortable one feels in his
No. It's not a part of comfortable. You have to go by the rules of the company, sir.
Sir,
See, you are not running your own company. You are not the boss right now.
Sir, so you're trying to tell that CEO and the best manager should always be in formals?
I'm not talking about the CEO. The CEO or the best manager or the chaprasi also of the company has to follow his own rules.
Sir,
The company's rules are what he has to follow.
yes, sir,
A peon has to be in his so-called maybe
So exactly, sir, so
a regular.
Do you follow a protocol? Do you follow protocol?
This is
currently
not
I'm the in charge of the entire.
This is no protocol, sir.
Sir, the thing
So
about my company.
Why don't you come in a Bermuda then?
Sir, the thing is, I am the head of the company right now.
You're not the head of the
I've given
company,
the
boss.
Right now, of this.
You are not the head of the company. You're the head of your team. You're working for a company,
Sir,
sir.
it depends how much one gives flexibility to his employees. Even Steve Jobs wear jeans
Arey,
and
see
black
that
shirt.
employee of yours. Come here. See that employee of yours. How neatly he's dressed. Look at him.
Sir,
Look at him.
That's what I'm
Look
trying.
at him.
That's what I'm trying.
Look at him. Look at his shirt. Look at his pant. Look at his shoes.
Sir,
Don't do that.
that's.
Don't do. They match.
Sir, they do match. That's
Then what? What are you here for?
That's what I'm trying to
Haven't
say.
you been taught from childhood that the color of your shirt should always match the color of your socks?
No, sir.
Yes.
I was never
Please
told.
go and ask
Okay.
anyone if you
Sir,
want.
but that's what I'm trying to say. I give my employees full freedom to wear
Look at
whatever
him,
they want.
yeah. You look like a chaprasi. He looks like a CEO of the company.
Sir, that is the reason. Because he gave more importance to his looks, he is the employee and I am the best manager.
Oh yes. See, because he has the honesty in him.
So it's not.
He's come directly into the company as an employee. You, by your own tactics and political gains, have gone into the company and become a best manager.
Sir,
And I don't think so. Any company has hired you as the best manager. Oh no.
Sir, hard work in life gives you fruits and the levels you are at, not your clothing, sir.
करो, ठीक है?
You go to any corporate company, okay,
Okay, sir.
and you try to tell them your philosophy there, you will be kicked out in 5 minutes.
You are this, you know.
Please guys, you are at a workplace. Stand in a line.
At a workplace, you stand in a line, or at the bus stop, you stand in the line. Huh?
Sir, whenever I'm just trying to assemble them as civilized people.
They are civilized.
I don't think so, sir.
Yes. They're just trying to, show their gestures towards their manager. How much they love you, how much they care for you.
So I think they are just following orders from someone.
Whatever you have told, you have never mentioned
See
anything
this?
about figures.
Whatever you've told, theoretically sounds very pleasing, okay? Practically, not possible, sir. Just answer.
Yes, sir. Pardon me.
One last thing that I would like to hear from you is, again coming back to the original question. Guys, you have to come back. Guys,
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
thank you. Acha, sir, one final question.
Yes, sir.
Why should we hire you? Now, taking into consideration we don't know anything about you, we want you to tell us what you are, so that we get to know what you are, and then we'll think about hiring you or not hiring you. Okay? Fine.
So why I would want you to hire me is because I'm not a self-oriented guy. I don't work only for myself and for my betterment and for my selfishness. I would look at my company like as if it's my family. I would like
Let
each
me
and
remind you, you are here to ask a job.
yes, sir.
You are not here to give jobs. Right?
So that's what I'm trying to say.
That is what we are trying to tell you is. You are working for a company, not people are working for you.
People and all will come afterwards once you join the company. Now, why should I hire you? You are going to
Think
work
about yourself.
only you as an individual are going to work for me. Your team and all is going to come afterwards. Okay?
The reasons you should hire me is because I'm not just a face in the crowd, I'm definitely out of it. I have the complete potential to take a firm completely up, give my own best. As a small employee or even as a best manager, I wouldn't
Where do you
as an
see
employee.
10 years down the line? Where do you see yourself 10 years down the line?
So I'll definitely see myself in some big firm, like as a project lead or something. I'll definitely be at a top post, but not serving as a small clerk anywhere, because I know what's my potential and what I can
Thank
give.
you. That's not what the answer was I was expecting.
Anyways, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.